Prefer using PayPal for your freelance earnings? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your PayPal account to Upwork for fast and flexible withdrawals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Linking PayPal is a great option, especially for freelancers outside the US or those who want more control over their funds instantly. Start by logging into your Upwork account and navigating to Settings, Get Paid. Click on Add Method and choose PayPal from the list of options. You'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your PayPal account. Make sure this is 100% correct. Upwork will then send a small verification deposit to your PayPal account. Check your PayPal account for this deposit, then return to Upwork's Get Paid section to confirm the amount and verify your account. Once confirmed, PayPal is a live withdrawal option. A crucial pro tip: be aware of the fees. Upwork doesn't charge a fee for PayPal withdrawals, but PayPal may charge a currency conversion fee if your Upwork earnings are in a different currency than your PayPal account's primary currency. And just like that, you've added a versatile payment option to your freelance business. Connecting PayPal gives you another reliable way to access your money. Do you find PayPal faster than direct bank transfers? Tell us about your experience below. For a cost-effective international option, subscribe for our next video on how to use Wise on Upwork. Thanks for watching.